micro dehumidifier. This is going to go in my CoreBOXX, and this is pretty slick. So we're going to let it cool down for a while, but this will be great for reducing the humidity. The other piece I'm working on is, of course, the mess that you see in here, and that is going to be the controller for this. So that's all for now. Cloudfather out.